Hello, I'm Seth Clevenger, Managing Editor of Features at Transport Topics. I'm here with Jack Legler, who's the Technical Director at the Technology and Maintenance Council of ATA. And we'd like to invite you to join us at noon Eastern on Wednesday, February 21st for the next episode of our Live on Web program, where we will be discussing megatrends in trucking technology. Now, some of the big trends and developments we've seen in recent years include the emergence of predictive analytics. We've also seen remote diagnostics really take the industry by storm over the last several years. And we'll also be exploring the potential for blockchain technology in trucking. Now, Jack, I'm sure these and many other technical issues are hot topics at TMC and are likely to come up also at the upcoming annual meeting. Could you take us through a few of the technology issues and areas of intrigue that TMC is currently exploring?
Well, thanks for the invite, and I look forward to joining everybody on Live on Web to talk about this, because we've got an exciting time in trucking right now where you've got the marriage of hardware, sensor technology, and software analytics to improve performance, maintenance, and reduce costs. At our upcoming TMC annual meeting in Atlanta, Georgia at the World Congress Center on March 5th through 8th, which we really encourage everybody to attend, we'll be discussing such issues as sensor-enhanced maintenance, cybersecurity to protect these systems from unwanted intrusions, and very exciting about the idea of augmented and virtual reality, both in training and in hands-on maintenance, where you can have remote supervision and direct access in the virtual reality goggle to the technician physically working on the vehicle and diagnosing software real time with someone supervising remotely and providing information right directly to the technician.
Well, thank you, Jack. It's fascinating to think about what the future may hold for trucking. Other guests that we'll have on Live on Web will include Peter Kovac, who's the IT Director at Paper Transport. We'll also be talking to Dave Wangler, President of TMW Systems, and Tim Leonard of Trimble Transportation, Chief Technology Officer. So we'll have great expertise from one of the leading developers of trucking transportation management software as well. And if you'd like to go ahead and reserve your seat or ask a question in advance of the show, please visit liveonweb.ttnews.com. And we hope to see you on Wednesday, February 21st at noon Eastern. We'll see you then.